In this video, I'm going to show you how to replace your vent valve on this Nissan Pathfinder. It's located on the back of the vehicle, right on the EVAP canister. Let's get started. Looking behind the driver's side rear wheel between the bumper and the spare tire, you'll see the EVAP canister, which is that large plastic canister, and on that canister you'll see the vent valve, which is this piece right here. First thing I'm going to do is unplug the electrical connector, press on that tab. A lot of times these are going to be stuck from sand buildup and debris, so try not to break it. You'll have to press on it and pull it straight back. Sometimes pliers can help. Just be very gentle, because with pliers it is actually very easy to break this off. There we go. I'm going to clean all this dirt out of here. The electrical connector looks good. You want to check it for corrosion. A lot of times these do corrode because they're back here right where the wheel sprays water and debris. Take this hose, slide it off, and now to unlock this vent valve, all you have to do is, you'll see this plastic tab here, press it. It has this hook that locks it in, turn it, and don't go all the way. And you want to pull out on it, and you'll feel that it wants to slide out, and there it is. It'll have an O-ring that seals it up and holds it in there, and a couple tabs that basically lock it in. And there is your vent valve. Now if you had your new vent valve, you're going to want to line up the tabs so that this slides in, kind of like a light bulb if you're replacing a headlight or a taillight bulb. Once it slides in, lock it down, turn it clockwise to lock it, and then put this hose back on. This hose does not have a clamp, so make sure it is properly seated all the way down. Usually it'll have an indent from where it used to be. I cleaned out the electrical connector, and now it slides on easily. Make sure it clicks, and there you go. If you had a check engine light, go ahead and clear it, and then run the vehicle. Make sure this works as it should.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.